Hi Jyotsna.
Hi, Mashmi.
Hey Jyotsna, can you tell me how I can file annual return on Shebox portal?
Sure. So this is the question which is mostly asked now by almost all our clients. So first you will have to do, you have to log in to the Shebox portal. Alright. Once you log in with your user ID and password, it will take you to the page. On the left hand side, there would be list of certain menu. On the menu, you will have to select annual return. There is a tab, annual return. So select on that tab. Once you click on that tab, it will prompt you to submit annual return. So I will share this screenshot for the reference. So once you click on the tab submit annual return, again it will prompt you certain detailed questions. So the first question is display of the penal consequences of sexual harassment. So you will have to say yes, definitely. Wherever you have mentioned those, you will have to upload the relevant document for that. So be ready with these documents before you log into Shebox portal. Keep the separate folder needed wherein these documents as well as your hard copy of the acknowledgement of this Shebox hard copy of annual return which you have submitted into the respective DC offices. That also you would require handy. Alright. So coming back to the screenshot, you will say yes for the penal consequences and attach the relevant document. Once that is done, again it will ask you certain questions which we have already taken care in a physical copy of the annual returns, such as number of complaints, number of cases disposed of, number of cases pending, then the workshops, the training program done, actions taken, report year. So you will have to fill in all those relevant details. Is report sent? That means the meaning of it. Have you sent the report to the respective DC offices in a physical copy, in hard copy? Yes, then you will have to also mention the date of the report sent. And then the next they will ask you to attach the acknowledgement copy in the form of PDF or doc or JPG. So scan that copy and then upload it. Once you upload that acknowledgement copy, then you can click on the submit report. So once this report is submitted on on the basis of these two documents, it will immediately tell you that your report has been filed successfully, and you can cross verify that by just going to the list of the reports in the same tab. So once you click on the list of the report, it will show you the recent report which you have submitted. Okay, that's it. So if you have such kind of queries, or even if you don't understand in this also how to file annual return in a hard copy or online format, do get in touch with my team. I'm sharing all those contact details in the description box. Thank you.